In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Word, whether you're working on a report, making a list, or creating a schedule. Learning how to insert tables is an incredibly useful skill that can help make your document more organized and professional looking. It's a simple process, and today I'm going to walk you through it step by step. First things first, open the Word document where you want to insert your table. If you don't have a document ready, you can create a new one. Launch Microsoft Word, and if you need a fresh canvas, simply click on New Document. Having your document open is the first step to getting your table placed exactly where you need it. Now, direct your attention to the menu at the top of your screen. You'll see a variety of tabs such as Home, Insert, Design, and so on. What we're interested in today is the Insert tab. Go ahead and click on this tab. This menu holds a treasure trove of features you can add to your document, but today we're particularly interested in the table function. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, look for the table option in this menu. It's usually represented by a grid icon. Click on it and a small grid will appear, giving you a visual representation of your future table. Here's where the fun begins. You'll have the opportunity to decide how extensive your table needs to be by choosing the number of rows and columns. To do this, simply move your cursor over the grid and you'll notice the cells will highlight to indicate how many rows and columns will be in your table. For example, if you highlight 3 cells across and 2 cells down, you'll get a table that has 3 columns and 2 rows. It's incredibly intuitive, and you should see a preview of what the table will look like as you move your mouse across the grid. Once you've decided on the dimensions, click to insert the table into your document. Voila! Your table is now a part of your Word document. You can start typing into the cells straight away, or you can further customize your table by adjusting the style, color, and borders via the Design and Layout tabs, which appear whenever you've selected your table. And there you have it, a simple, quick way to insert a table in Word, ensuring your document is as organized and aesthetically pleasing as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your word processing tasks that much easier. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks on Word and other software tools. Until next time, happy writing!